Good morning. I'm gonna make breakfast, make a coffee, edit some videos, some vlogs, and let's see what else we do today. I recently went to Trader Joe's, the pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels, and I also grabbed this one, which is the mocha latte pretzel. And I already tried this, and it's pretty good. I like it a lot. It really tastes like a mocha coffee. So if you like that, you will like this one. Here's the pumpkin spice. Oh, these are the teeny tiny pretzels, compared to the mocha latte, which is the regular size. And then this one is like 2 times smaller. Let's try it. If you've ever tried the ube flavored teeny tiny pretzel, that's a lot better than this pumpkin one. It has like a weird aftertaste too, so not my favorite, but I do really like this one. So next time when you're at Trader Joe's, give this a try. I added some whipped cream on top. Look at how they turned out. It looks so yummy. Chocolate pumpkin muffins. It's a beautiful day. The weather feels great. It's a good 80 degrees and there's shade right now. And it just feels good just to be outside.